being a marketing genius like Ogilvy, even if you do not have any previous marketing knowledge. Yes, yes, you can be a marketing genius. Like David Ogilvy, for those who don't know, a huge genius in the marketing space without any previous marketing knowledge. How can you do that, Gabriel? You are promising some huge stuff today. Oh, Gabriel, I see that you're doing some stuff today, some wizard. What are you on? What are you on? Well, I'm onto something that I'm going to share with you into the first step. Something that I applied more into the show as it's growing and as I'm refining the processes and making sure I'm doing everything well is that I realized something that I should do in order to grab your attention and make sure you stay on with me all this show. I went back into some marketing materials that I had, and I read something along those lines of, I think it's David Ogilvy that actually say that 5 times more people will actually read the headline rather than the copy. So you need to spend as much time as possible on that headline because that's the thing that's going to be read the most. Now, the headline may be the other things today. Maybe an headline for you today are the 3 seconds, the 3 first seconds of your YouTube video. It can be that, or the first few lines, headline as well, of your article. But the thing is, the beginning, the hook that you got, you need to spend pretty much 80% of your time on that because that's the most important part. Because if you do not grab attention at that part, they will not read the rest. Even if you may have an incredible offer, an incredible copywriting skill with you, if you do not hook them from the beginning, they will never, never, never read the rest. Next thing I want to talk about is, hey, how we can make sure after you grabbed their attention with a great hook, what should you do after that? You need to address their pain points and dismantle their false beliefs. What does that mean? Addressing their pain points is basically making them right. I know you're thinking that way. I know you're thinking those people are taking advantage of you. I know you're thinking that it's not working for you. I know that you want to grow your business to the next level. I know you want to do that. And then when you say that thing to those people, they will have some false beliefs. Oh, I cannot do that because of that reason. Or maybe that doesn't work. Or I cannot do that because that thing will get after me and I won't be able to do it. And you gotta dismantle those false beliefs because you can have the best course ever. You can have the best offer services ever. The problem is that oftentimes, and that's pretty much what happens in all our lives, is we are limited by our own mind, our own beliefs. Those are limiting us to get to the next level. And that's the same thing with your customer. Their false beliefs are limiting them to take action. And that prevents you for serving them. So you need to make sure you address their false belief and replace those false beliefs with new belief that, hey, you know you can help them, you know it's going to work, do it with me because I want to help you out. Next little subject I want to talk about in that section of the show is you need to have offers that people feel stupid, like really stupid for not buying. They almost have to feel like they're taking advantage of you, like this isn't fair. And that's how you're going to have offers that people buy. If you have a commodity, something that pretty much anybody can buy, and I talked all the time about this, especially for you guys that do e-commerce businesses. If you're selling a commodity, you're going to be comparing product to product, price to price. And what's going to happen ultimately is that there is going to be a price war and you guys are going to battle over a few cents on which one is the cheaper, because that's the only value add you can have by diminuting the value of the product. But that cuts into your own margin and you make less money, which means less cost in advertisement to make sure you help some more people, less cost into improving the product, making sure you make some more great products like that. So that's not the right strategy you should go for. What you should rather do is build an offer. An offer basically is not the same thing as a product. It's something that's unique, something that you bundle oftentimes to up the value. That way you can make sure that you charge more for your products because you add a great value add to that and you differentiate yourself from the competition. So that's one of the ways that you can use in order to destroy, terminate your competition. Because let me tell you something, and I'm going to repeat that a lot on today's show, guys. 99% of the companies on this planet, and I'm not exaggerating, 99% of the companies on this planet, they don't know how to do marketing at all. Like, not at all. They have no idea. Your competition, maybe in your niche, like in your whole market, there are one, maybe two, maximum three guys that really know how to do it. Maybe, and that's not even, I cannot assure you that 100%. For real. There is a ton of opportunities to grab with online marketing, and they're not grabbing it. So that's a free market share that you guys can get